Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zother Gardens. I've got a lot of questions about my pistachio tree here and how I grow it and the production on it. So you can see the pistachios right here. There's more, a lot more actually. So this pistachio is 2 trees in one planted together. I'll show you right now. You can see how many more. See more down there. Beautiful leaves, by the way. They look like they're upside down, don't they? Almost each side looks the same. So, there's the male, there's the female. There's the spent flowers on the male. Just do close up so you can see. There's the spent flowers right here, all along. Some, of course, fell off. So this is the male right here, the skinny one, and then the pistachios on the female. Happy gardening, everybody. Bye.